people, how are you? It's your boy Kibona's Rory here. How are you? Wherever you are. So here in Tanzania now, it's midnight. I mean it's 6 a.m. here in Tanzania, East Africa. So this is a beautiful and amazing day. I'm here in order to thank Jesus because of their blessing, their mess. Oh wow, that is good and amazing to my life. I don't know why, but I take this time to thank Jesus because I see a lot to my life about content, about YouTube, my YouTube journey. So I thank so much, Jesus. Thank you for your blessing, for your mercy, for your blood. It's all about you, me to be here right now. And I hope where I'm going about this journey, it is good and far. Not far, it is near. So I really appreciate you, Jesus. Thank you for your mess. Thank you for your mess. Now I mean midnight here in your continent, in your country. So I don't know why. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jesus. Thank you so much, Jesus. Hey, my people, wherever you are, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel in order to support me. Your boy Kibona's Road from Tanzania, East Africa. Make sure you do that. Me, I'm enjoying to see where I come from and where I'm going. So I thank you so much, God, for your mess. The way you protect me, the way you give me a lot of ideas, the way you do a lot of things to me. So thank you so much. Thank you so much.